Today I'm taking with the CAPITANEUS electric screwdriver. It's a fairly nice case to it. I like that we can actually see the screwdriver that's inside of it. So instead of just seeing kind of like a monolithic block, you can actually know what this is. There's a very nice ejector built in, and there is the screwdriver with a bunch of bits. This is a very well designed case. So with this guy inside, we can actually charge the screwdriver. We don't even have to have that sticking outside of the case. So you can see the USB-C port there in the back, and it just pops out the back. So we got two buttons on here, forward and reverse. And we've got a display letting us know which direction it is going. We can see that rotate, and they actually have a couple of lights on there so we can see what we're doing. So it says it uses 2 amps of 5 volts, has a 350 milliamp hour battery, spins at 200 revolutions per minute, and has a rated torque of 0.3 newton meters. But if you just grab this guy and spin it by hand, you can go up to 3.5 newton meters. So all that means is if you come up against a tight bolt, all you have to do is grab that and spin it by hand, and then you can back it out the rest of the way electronically. And the side of the case, we've got some tweezers. So it looks like some nice sharp tweezers, and it appears that we actually have a material that is bonded to it, and it appears that that is simply held in with magnets. So this whole thing is just going to be magnetic. We have a clip tool, so we can use that to get inside of thin areas and then pop the clips. I do like that the magnets actually hold everything in place. So then for our bits, we got 3 flatheads. We got a 4th flathead, 2 Phillips, 3 star drivers, 3 Torx. Looks like we got 5 security Torx. We have a security Phillips, 2 more regular Phillips. We got a hex, got another hex, 2 triangle drivers. We have our magnet function right there. So if we need to magnetize this bit, we can just tap it on there for a while, and then that should hold onto our screw. Very handy if you have to put a screw deep into somewhere which you can't really reach. We have 3 more flatheads, 3 more security Torx. We have 4 Y heads, 2 double pins, 3 square drivers. Looks like a punch, another triangle, and then we got, looks like 7 more hex drivers. So quite a bit of variety in here. And we can see if we pull this out, this is a hex 1.5, so these are all individually labeled as well. So if I want to take the clip off of this, break that loose, and that does have the strength to drive that out. It actually feels quite a bit stronger than I was expecting as well, so I don't even really have to break this loose. The strength of the driver is strong enough. There you go. Easy way to declip this knife. So yeah, that is a very nice screwdriver.